What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I look at SoFi practically every Tuesday and every Friday. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. So let's take a look at SoFi. Basically, it was overextended from the EMA or the mean, and then price collapsed lower back towards the average, fell below it, and it looks like it's still selling off lower. Back down to the low 8s, high 7s. So it's already at this high 7s, and maybe you'll find support soon. If not, the next support can potentially be this trend line right over here, and then maybe we can see another bounce up higher. It's not guaranteed, but that's what can potentially occur for SoFi. So basically, looking at the chart, this was all one leg right here in the past. This was the second leg right over here. And this was the first attempt to reach that second leg that failed, and we could still see another attempt to reach that leg up there. So that would be the expectation. However, if price does just continue to collapse lower and lower, most likely the bears are trying to make another leg down, targeting the $5 level once again. So maybe they're coming back down to fill in these gaps right over here. So again, it's going to be a battle between the bulls and bears over here. We'll see where the imbalance favors. So if the imbalance favors the bulls, that would mean that the bears failed to reach their target, which would lead to a strong reversal to the upside, most likely. If the bulls fail to reach their target, meaning we see a weak bounce, something like that, that could signal for the downside. So we'll see what type of imbalance we get. Right now, it's definitely a bearish imbalance, meaning there are more aggressive sellers in the market than aggressive buyers who want to bid down the price. So that's why the price is dropping down lower. And most likely, it's gonna bounce around right around this region because it's getting overextended towards the downside. So we'll probably see a short-term bounce right in this region right over here, mid 7s to high 7s, and then we'll have a better idea if it wants to make another leg up higher or it's still going to be trending down lower towards that $5 level. So that's all I see for SoFi Technologies. Right now it's still okay because it's still above that high 7s, which was prior support. And we'll see if the price will break it this time. So let's take a look at the weekly chart, and here's a look at the weekly chart. You see that we have 2 consecutive red weeks in a row. Most likely this week is going to close red. It's dropping pretty quickly, so it's looking like it wants to make another leg down. We'll see if this trend line can act as support, and this level right here at the mid to high 7s. Like I said before, we're expecting a short-term bounce right over here. We'll see if that bounce will lead to another leg up higher or continuation towards the downside. So that's all I see for SoFi Technologies on the daily and weekly charts. Let me see if I could draw a potential trend line maybe off of some swing. So maybe this swing right here. So again, there's some sort of lower high structure going on. You can see there was a high made right over here, which is above the previous one, but now this high is below the previous one. So it looks kind of bearish as of right now. So we'll see if we can find support soon. So that's all I see for SoFi Technologies on the daily and weekly charts. And most likely I'll give you guys an update next week, Tuesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.